Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will show you again how you can claim 700 free tokens. So just watch this video till end and don't skip this video at any point, because if you skip any point then you will get no reward. So watch this video carefully. So first of all, you want to do like this video and subscribe to our channel for new videos and updates, and must join our Telegram channel, because I will put the link of this airdrop on Telegram channel. So must join that channel, and without wasting any time I will show you how you can claim 700 free tokens. So first of all, go to your Trust Wallet if you have already. If you don't have a Trust Wallet, then go to description. I have given you a link of video. You can watch that video and create your own wallet, new wallet, so you can get this. So I have earned $118 because market is down, therefore my wallet is less amount. So if market is up, then my wallet is also $1,000. so I have full amount of this I have earned through airdrops. So don't miss any airdrops. I will give you all airdrops, free airdrops. You can claim all airdrops. So I have already given you this airdrop, so you can watch that video and claim this, because these airdrops are also live. So what you do to claim this airdrop? So first of all, go to dApp section. But before we start, I want to tell you that you must want BNB Smart Chain. So you can see that I have already added my BNB Smart Chain worth $13. So you can add $1 or $2, because $1 in $1 you can claim 10 to 20 tokens free. So you must have BNB Smart Chain fees, because there is minor fees to pay. So if you don't know how you can add these tokens, so I will make video on it, but comment in the given comment box. I will show you how you can get or add BNB Smart Chain fees in Trust Wallet. So first of all, go to our Telegram channel. You will get link, and copy that link and paste in dApp browser of Trust Wallet. After you will paste that link, you will redirect it to this page. So first of all, you want to select BNB Smart Chains. If you select Ethereum address, then you have to pay more fees. So must select BNB Smart Chain. After you redirect it to this page, this will show that 11 days are remaining for this airdrop. So this is countdown, and you can see that 11 days are remaining for this airdrop. So you can read this full. So per refer you will get 700 SUNT tokens. If you join through any referral link, you will get 700, and who refer you, then that person also gets 700. So there is no limit for this. So if you want to refer, then you can refer, or this is not necessary. So you can read this full. So you will, if you hold these tokens, then you will get 10% of per transaction. So this is very nice, and liquidity is locked for some days, and this you can watch this. So I will show you a roadmap of this tokens. So I have read this, and I think this roadmap is very nice, and this airdrop can give you very nice profit. So must if you miss all airdrops, then don't worry, these airdrops you will get very soon profit. So you can see that. So tokens are launched already, then safety, they will burn their tokens, and marketing is going on, and you can see that these tokens are listing in future on coin market cap. So this is very nice, and this will also listed on CoinGecko. So this is also nice, and they will launch their Sun Trust Swap exchange. So when they launch their exchange, the price of these tokens will be very high. So they will create their own website, then smart contract audit, then marketing. They will promote this project on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or etc. Then this is reward strategy, and this is very big news. So they will list this token on Huobi and MXC listing. So this is very huge, because when they list on Huobi and MXC exchange, the price of this token will very pump. So you must hold this token, and after listing they will burn their tokens. Some very large quantity of tokens will burn, then this is result in the price of tokens. So price of these tokens will go very large. So if the value of these tokens is $1, then you will get $700 profit, or very much. So what you want to do. I have already wasted very much time, but this is important to show you that how strong this project is. So what you want to do, first of all, follow on Twitter. So you will redirect to Twitter and then follow their Twitter. So follow on their Twitter handle. After that you can go back. After you go back, you want to do one more task, which is Telegram channel. So join their Telegram channel. You will get 150 SUNT token. So I will join it later. First of all, I will tell you how you can claim this token. So click on this claim button for claim airdrop. So claim airdrop, I have already clicked on that. Then you want small BNB fees. So why this page is not loading? 1 minute time. So you can see that you will need some BNB gas fees. So I have needed $0.20, so I will pay it. So after that you can see that I have seen this message. So I have claimed my airdrop. So go back and you can see your tokens in this section. So go to your wallet, then you will see your tokens. So you can see this is now 0. Now you can see magic. So magic will show here. Just wait, and so you can see that this is airdrop tokens for free. I have get this token for free of 700 ACUNT tokens. So this token future is very bright, and this will give you up to $700 or more. So don't miss this airdrop. Just join this airdrop and wait and hold this token for bright future. So if you can hold, then you will get very much profit. So just claim and hold. So I will meet you in next video. So goodbye.